I saw Casey Neistat do shots like this and I figured I would try them too. Don't really know if they work for me. We'll see. So I've got some super cool news. It's actually not really news. People that know me already know about it. I'm just bringing it to you guys because I haven't shown any of this at all. And though I haven't shown any of it, it's been talked about for a while now and it's been in the works for a while. I know I took it off already. It's another 350Z. And yes, it is dirty. Yes, it has its gremlins, but we are going to basically start over. So we're basically gonna start over with the 350Z. I still have the one in the back there, but I figured that shell, I can do a lot more with it later on. I wanna do something where I can just do a quick fix, get the car running and driving and on the road. Now the cool part about the Z that I just picked up is that it comes with some good, some bad, and a lot in between. Now I just want to say off the top of my head, I'm not complaining at the condition of the car at all. Shout out to Jay. Jay hooked me up on a good deal for it, so I really couldn't complain, and it actually makes sense on what I'm about to do. So I'll have to show you guys really. It's a process, it always is gonna be a process, but we have everything necessary we need to put us in a much better standing than we did with the Z that's back there. So all in all, it's a win. Let's unpack the car first and foremost. Just from trying to get all the dirt from in here, dude. This is ridiculous.
A few moments later.
So I'm actually sitting in the Z now, and as you can see, so it has an okay interior. For what it's worth, there's really not much I need to do to it. I'm kind of on the fence of just leaving it as it is. But I'm also like, I already have clean shit over there. Why not just swap everything, clean this one up, and you know, so who knows. First order of f**k-ups. I can't even let myself out. I actually have to hop over to the passenger side now and get myself out. I just realized left a cool little shift knob. I'll take it. I'll take as much as I can get, in all honesty, because it just makes it easier for me, because parts off of this one will go onto that one will go onto this one, and basically that interior will be this. You'll see. Actually, let me take that back. Let me get out of the car first and you'll see. Dude, imagine being 6'4" in a 350Z and having to cross to the opposite side, and like, this is just, pain. I just happen to love coupes though, so. Oh my gosh.
1 hour later.
Okay, so all I've really done today is pretty much clean up the car. I didn't really go into details on a lot of the stuff on camera, but first I want to start with the progress that I've made just on the shell itself alone. But all the work that I did, I kind of mounted all of this up to how it's supposed to come out, very OEM-like feel up here. None of this cowl piece was here when I first got it. As you can see, all the like mush and that was on the car. It's a little cleaner overall. I didn't do much, just a lot of cleaning today. Threw in the ground that needs to go in here, tidied all of this up, and cleaned a lot of it out. So that's pretty much done. I added A pillars, the little B pillars. The interior is pretty much all there. Of the trunk, I added my tarp or whatever. Like I said, overall just cleaned up the car.